have my cocktail over here. This is called Scorpion. Yeah, Scorpion. Yeah. It's about to give me the poisonous stuff. So this part is the outer part of it, or the terrace, okay? So if you go to the other side, they have the indoor restaurant. So you can choose to be the indoors or the outside to have good fun. Like this place is like the air, spacious, everything. Madam, what just today?
Yeah, please, yeah, like your body, did you say spatial?
I need to select.
Yes, please, the process.
Oh, it will be a
So, get me.
Hello, brothers, sisters. I do this over. Who can we see Sindaco? Yeah, so still in the northern part of Ghana, and I just found a new place. I was told by my friend Margaret that there's a place in the Upper West region called JIRAPA Dubai, and I think I just found it. I was close to the place, so I googled it, and it was about 20 minutes to the location. Royal Cozy Hills is a luxurious hotel in the Upper West region. Man, no one would believe that there's this beautiful hotel in the north. It was really amazing right from the entrance to the car park, dope security all over with big parking space. Yes, sir. Hey, Jack, here is a bows again. Hey. Wow, you guys have to visit. You need to visit JIRAPA Dubai. So actually the name of the hotel was named by the town. The town was called JIRAPA. So I wanted to see more, so I sent out my bed and came out with some beautiful scenes. Enjoy yourself. And if you want to see more and also have more information about this hotel, kindly check out the full video on Margaret's channel. The link will be in the description box. Yeah, so as you all know, I'm here for food. Yeah, Sindaco the foodian. Yeah, the food eater. Ambassador for food eaters. Yeah, Rokodo. So I'm here to see the kind of food that they will be serving. Yeah, the local food. Yeah, let's do this, Rokodo. Okay. So they have sandwich, burger, soup. Okay. Locals, so locals, they have goat meat, peanut, chicken, granite soup, tilapia, TZ, body yam, benku and okra, benku and goat, yeah, salad. I can't be in Ghana and really eat salad, no. Okay, so a whole lot of food, like varieties, poultries. What's one? Tapas. What are the tapas? Fish fingers. Okay. Pastries. Spaghetti carbonara, my favorite. Spaghetti carbonara. This is an Italian dish. Very delicious. Yeah. Wow. Pizza. Quattro stagioni. Yeah, this is called Quattro stagioni. 4 seasons. One of my dopest in Italy. Quattro stagioni. 4 seasons. It's 85 CDs. Man, this pizza is dope. Quattro stagioni. Margarita over here as well. Okay. When they have nice food, very nice food, and the menu looks great. Anyway, there was one thing I wish I could see, but I couldn't see more, especially the typical local food from the northern side of Ghana. You know, we have tubani, we have wache, we have other foods like samosi and all those food. Yeah, even the red TZ. Yeah, so those food represent the country or the town or the regional and its culture. You understand? I didn't even see the plantain, ripe plantain, cocoa and all those things. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's about time that the Minister of Tourism will speak to these people that when they establish a hotel in Ghana or in Africa, they need to infuse, or the percentage wise of the food should be more than the foreign ones. You understand? Because basically you are in Africa. So when someone is visiting Africa, the person already had in mind that I'm visiting a place that they don't have 100% of my food or my culture. So I'll try and cope with their culture. Yeah, so it's about time Africa or Ghana we start to infuse this kind of policy to the businessmen, yeah, or to the hotel owners. Look at the surroundings. This is an indoor restaurant, okay, and they have the outdoor restaurant at the other side of it. Like, you just love it. Visit the north. There's a lot to see in the northern part of Ghana. A lot. Yeah, so our merchandise is now coming. We have our water over here. But I don't know what this fork is for, because I requested for yam and he requested for benku. So the yam, I don't know what it is for. Hey, I saw a guy. Wow. And see, hey, one is now. But could I happening? Hi.
Fish, so they used to request
for fish. So it's 1:1.
Yes.
Whoa. Royal Dubai. Abo Zege. So this is a garden next to you.
Yes, please.
With a hey, Okoro, Mamma Mia. Wow. Now, Patrol, me say at some fork no. A second on here at one of everybody. Oh, how come? How possible?
But there's water if you can.
Hey, it's Anyway, I have my yam over here, and this is the yam, nicely garnished, nicely made. So you see, yam with some green pepper and tomatoes. So I wanted to go local. That's why I chose this food. Alright, so this garden next to you, and yeah, my friend also here to benku and fish. What's the name? Please, I forgot your name. Samari. Okay, yeah. So she's HR4. What do you call it?
Royal Cozy Hill.
Yeah. No, there's a name. JIRAPA Dubai. JIRAPA Dubai. Yeah. So.
I'm just checking if you guys did you get everything you wanted? Do you have everything you
Sure.
Okay.
Everything's on point, and I'm loving the whole vibe and the atmosphere.
I hope so too.
Yeah,
That'll be wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I believe this chef is from my hometown. The one who prepared this food is from my hometown. Mamma mia. Wow. And this is dope. This is dope. Man, when you come to Ghana and you have the means of coming to the northern part of Ghana, come and try JIRAPA Dubai Hotel. Man, this food is amazing. Italian will say ottimo, mamma mia, ottimo. Yeah, so anytime you visit JIRAPA Dubai Hotel, ask for Mr. Prosper, and he will make you a master chef. What do you call it? Mixing of cocktail. Yeah. He's making some.
Yeah, I'm about to do scorpion.
Scorpion. So you're about to do some scorpion milkshake and cocktail, and he's a master chef over here. So Prosper is the name. You visit JIRAPA Dubai Hotel and you want cocktail, ask for Prosper. Mr. Prosper, sorry. Mr. Prosper. Yeah. Hello guys, so that's for today. The board yam and the garden next to you was dope. Everything was on point. Man, visit the Upper West and the Upper East and the Tamales, and you know what's up. Dread. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook and follow us on YouTube as well. Turn notification bell so be notified when a new video drops. On TikTok, yeah? And make sure you subscribe, you share, tell a friend, tell a brother, who can you Sindaco. Let's do this. One, I'm out.